How to edit message on WhatsApp. How to edit message on WhatsApp. This is a complete guide. This is Aregbesola Akinde from Profit Online Hustles. On this channel, we discuss entrepreneurship, sales and marketing, digital product creation, and smartphone productivity, make money online, and motivation, and so on. Now, in today's video, I want to show you how to edit message, send message on WhatsApp. Because recently a man approached me to teach him how to do such kind. Apparently he sent a message and he did not want to delete it, but he wanted to edit it. So I just felt, now why don't I just drop these short videos to help you know what to do when you have a sent message like that. Now it is very important to note that WhatsApp added that feature of editing messages sent on WhatsApp. So you don't need to feel somehow if you send a message and you need to now delete it, thereby making the receiver to feel, why is he deleting this message, or what is he hiding? So let's go straight to what we need to do. Now the first thing is, let's assume I want to send a message to right here. I'm sending a message here right now. Let me type, how are you? Now look at it, it is sent already. So if you will need to edit it, either you want to remove something or you want to add something, this is what you do. Long press on the message, that means tap on it and hold it there. So then come to this three dot up here and then click it. Then you can see you can copy this message, you can edit, you can pin it. So if you need to edit, just click on the edit here, and then either you erase or you add. So let me just add feeling good, right? Look, can you see now, feeling good, right? So adding that one, you would now need to click on this pass mark here. You can see, how are you feeling good, right? So this is how to easily edit a sent message without deleting the message. So when you practice that, you may not need to delete messages again on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and if you are our new friend here, please consider subscribing, turn on the notification bell, comment on this video, ask any question you may want to ask, and if you are our old subscriber, thanks for always being there. So for everyone, let's together take this channel to 500 subscribers, and I know you want to be part of the success story. Thanks for watching.